In this video, I am going to show you how to interlock or repair natural dreadlocks. Here I'm going to use two different tools. This is a dreads hook and then this is a crochet hook. I'm going to use both of them. I told you this. Traditionally, this is the one that is used, but I advise you that if you also use this when you're locking, it is also pain-free and it is more easier than this. It will save you less time than this, because this one takes the whole hair. Let me just show you one. This will just take up this hair just in a while. It is just so easy, like this, it's done. But then if you use this, it needs a different expertise, which I have, but then I want to save your time. I want to save my client's time, my model here. She has to go back to school. So I am going to use both of them, and remember I told you this is so pain-free, it saves time. And then this a little bit, it makes some mistakes because it doesn't have anything, because its hook is not closed, it's open. So I'm going to use the both of them for time saving, and then to avoid the pain that normally involves. I want you to follow me along in this video to see how they really lock natural dreadlocks. Don't forget to have your gel with you. This is the gel I use. You can use any type of gel as long as it is good in gripping the hair very well. Here we go. Well, I really thank you for being on board with me. Here we are coming to the climax of our video for natural dreads repair. We done with our video, and I'm just making here the baby hair in front. But don't forget to mind about everything I told you when doing natural dread repair. Be mindful so that your client's hair is not broken, or the edges are not broken, or so that you don't weaken her hair. This was a protective way of locking. You should learn it. You should challenge yourself to use a crochet hook, not only the dreads hook, but also a crochet is good. You should know how to lock hair very well using different directions. And also, I forgot to tell you that when you're locking this hair, it has to be wet. You need first to wash it, or if it's not washed, at least try to spray water in it before locking it. I thank you, and I wish to see you in my next video. I am JK. I love you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe right now. I love you. See you